Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is a story that I have been following for quite a while now. So now we have incontrovertible proof of what I have been saying over the past few weeks. So with that guys, I bring you this. Ambode ignored as Tinubu Fashola joined Sanwo-Olu for Lagos cabinet retreat. So that's the headline. Ambode ignored as Tinubu Fashola joined Sanwo-Olu for Lagos cabinet retreat. So now let's get into exactly what happened. The retreat, organized for members of the Lagos State Executive Council and permanent secretaries, ended at the weekend with participants resolving to apply their expertise and energy towards achieving the vision of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's administration. The retreat, which was held at the Eko Hotels and Suites in Lagos, aimed at fostering teamwork and unity of purpose amongst administrators who will be implementing key items in the governor's development agenda in the ministries, departments, and agencies of government. Whilst former Governor Bola Tinubu and Babatunde Fashola participated in the retreat, their successor, Akinwumi Ambode, was conspicuously absent. Mr. Ambode's spokesman, Habib Haruna, informed on Sunday that he does not know why his principal was left out of the retreat. You should ask them why they did not invite Mr. Ambode, Mr. Haruna said over the phone. They are in the best position to know why they did not invite him. Mr. Sanwo-Olu's spokesman could not be reached on his phone, which was switched off. The governor is currently attending the 7th Tokyo International Conference on African Development in Japan. So now there you now have it now. We now have proof positive of what I have been saying all the way through, that what is his name? Tinubu is intent on completely deleting this Ambode character out of the history of Lagos State. There's a real venom in the way that Tinubu is going after this guy and is out to wipe him out completely. So not only did he deny him the opportunity of a second term in Lagos State, he blocked him off the ministerial list, and now you now have all the governors of Lagos State from this new republic. Are we in the third republic now? From the beginning of the third republic in 1999 till date, all there with the exception of Ambode. So now we now have proof of what has always been said and what we've always known at the back of our mind, that there's a real vendetta that is playing out here. And I have already detailed the reasons why I think this vendetta is taking place from my own perspective. And my own perspective is that Tinubu sees this Ambode as a performer. He doesn't want his stock to rise, he doesn't want his star to shine, and he doesn't want his gleam to sparkle. So he wants to dull his shine, effectively, to use the Nigerian parlance for this one. He wants to dull his shine, he wants to diminish him, he wants to wipe him off the history of Lagos State, because he has his eye on that 2023, as we know, and the one threat that he has identified as the real potent threat to his 2023 ambition is Ambode, because Ambode could not be tamed in his first term, because Ambode has decided that he is a man of his own mind and he believes in his own capacity and is able to work for the people of Lagos State, the Lagosians, and those works that he was doing was resonating with the people and was establishing that relationship with the people. So if Ambode has succeeded in seizing Lagos State from Tinubu, then that will be the beginning of the end for Tinubu, because Tinubu is one thing and one thing only, is Lagos State, the largest population in the country, the wealthiest state, and that is his base really for his political ambitions. So if he doesn't have Lagos State, then he has nothing. And because Ambode went after that state so frontally, this guy is now alarmed that this guy has this, the first guy, of course, being Tinubu. Tinubu is now alarmed that Ambode has that level of ambition within him to want to challenge him for Lagos State. So he's now intent to hammer him down. the nail that sticks out will be hammered down. This is what we are seeing playing out here. So now you now see it in visuals now, so you don't have to listen to my subjective view anymore. You can see the photos in the slides. I'm not sure if I'm going to use a slide for this particular video, or I'll just put one photo, because the photo really tells a lot about the narrative of this story. But you can see it there, all the governors of Lagos State since the beginning of our democracy this time round, with the visible and the stark exception of Ambode. So we now have proof positive that there's real yawa between these two guys, and Tinubu is effectively going in for the kill. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Let me know what you are making of this picture that you're seeing on your screen. A picture tells 1,000 tales, as they say. So what tale is this picture telling you? Come tell me all about it in the comment section. But before you come tell tales in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come share opinions with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.